Hello, my name is ADEJUMOBI Abd-Baasit. You are welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Today we are going to be looking at how to clear browser cache on our device. You can also do this for other applications that do use memory on your phone. So I'm going to show you two ways to clear your cache or to delete those files, those temporary files on your phone. First of all, what is cache? Cache on devices, they are actually meant to store temporary files that your browser may need or your application may need. So with this, they also take up certain memory location on your device. Meanwhile, there are benefits to this. Number one benefit is that you will notice that sometimes even when you do not have data on your device and you still open your browser, some few information will still pop up. You will still be able to load them, especially the last thing you loaded on a website. So this is one of the benefits of cache. This is where all this information has been stored, so your browser could easily retrieve those information even if you are not connected to the internet at the time. At the same time, this memory location is being used from the part of the memory of your phone. Sometimes if the cache is too large, it may slow down the loading of your device depending on the capacity of your phone. This is Chrome browser. All I will need to do is I'll press the icon and hold down the button until app information is displayed or sent to desktop. These two information that we can see now are being displayed. All you need to do is just press the Chrome browser or press the application, hold on to it until this information is displayed. So I'm going to select app information now. As soon as I click app information, I will have all this. Then I see storage. So my Chrome browser is currently occupying 527 megabytes. This is something to some people device. It may not be anything to your own device, but this is actually something. And depending on how fast your browser is or your phone is. So if I click on the storage now, it's going to show more data. Then now I have the app size, I have user data, I have cache itself, which is about 298 megabytes. So everything together form the total of 527. So now I have clear storage, I have clear cache. My intention here is I just want to clear cache. So I'm going to click on clear cache. Then you notice that clear cache, my cache is now 0 bytes, nothing there. So once I do that, if I want to clear other user data, I can also do that. So the second method of clearing cache that I want to show us is that we'll launch the app, locate the app. I have it on my screen already, so I'll click on that browser, Chrome browser. Then I click the three dots to the top right. I'll click the three dots and I'll go to history. I'll go to history. As soon as I click on history, you see all the recently visited websites. Then I'll select delete browsing data. So the next thing is I'll pick all the items I want to delete here. You can see my cache is having 135 megabytes. Sites may load more slowly on your next visit. Like I said earlier, that cache is being used to store some files, although one way or the other it helps your browser to keep some information so that when next you are visiting the site again, your browser doesn't have to download the files new. And in that regard, it can also save some data, your data, instead of the browser downloading the data every time you visit. The browser will have stored the data somewhere, and immediately you visit the website again, it will bring up the data easily. Just fetch it from the cache. So I'm going to click on cache, and if I want to also delete the tab, I can also do that. but I don't want to do that, so let me just select cached image and files alone. So I'll do that and I'll click on delete data. So it's asking me is it for, so let me select all, delete. So that is that about that. So the cache has been deleted. We can just go back and check again. You can see we have less than 1 megabyte. Before we used to have 137. Now that we've deleted it, it's now 1 megabyte. So that is how to delete our cache. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that anytime I drop another video, you have access to them easily. Thank you very much.